Hi all, this is Rahul. Welcome to my YouTube channel Automation Tool. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and click on notification bell. So today's our topic is how to run Postman collection remotely with URL. So in this, first I will discuss how to get collection URL from Postman, and in the later half I will discuss how to run Postman collection remotely by using collection URL. Now we need to open Postman. So you can see here one Postman collection is there which I have used in my previous session. So in this session also I will be using this Postman collection. Now I will tell you there are two ways to get the URL from Postman. So first way is we need to click on this arrow and click on share. And the second way is we need to click on this three dot and click on share collection. Now here you will find to a workspace embed and get public link. So click on this get public link and you will find this URL of this Postman collection. So we need to copy this URL. So just click here and go to desktop and open GMT. Now we need to write here newman commands, and I'll be using this URL which we have copied from Postman. So newman run and paste that URL which we have copied from Postman. Now hit enter. We can see, right, our API is working fine. So we are using this URL to run our Postman collection, but we are running in local, but we need to run in remote machine. But I don't have any remote machine as of now, but I will tell you the list of software tool you required or not required in the remote machine. So Node.js we should have in the remote machine. Along with Node.js, you should have Newman package. So you can use this npm install -g newman command to install the Newman package. And the second thing is Postman tool is not required in the remote machine. That is the main advantage of using remote machine, right? So you don't require Postman tool to run in remote machine. So I hope you understood all the concept which I have explained in this video. If you like the video, please like, comment and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe the channel and click on notification bell. Thank you and take care.